How to change language on Telegram app. So if you want to change language on Telegram app, then first of all you have to open up your Telegram application. And after opening your Telegram, you can go to the upper right corner which has a 3-bar icon. Simply click on that and then you will have a bunch of options. So you can simply go to settings, and under settings you will have a bunch of options. So if you want to change your language, then before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now to change your language, you will have a language option. You can simply click on language, and here you will have a bunch of languages. So you can simply choose any one of the language that you would like. And after choosing the language, you can simply click on OK. And that's it. That's how you change your language on Telegram app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.